The military coup in Myanmar on 29 January 2021. 2 days back, when we were all busy anxiously waiting for the Union Budget 2021-22 to roll out, one of our neighbors were witnessing a coup. Myanmar's military has taken over the control of the country. Their leader Aung San Suu Kyi, president of Myanmar, and other important leaders have been detained by the military. And the general, that is the commander-in-chief of Myanmar army, who has been holding this position for a period of 9 years and was about to retire this year, has taken over as big boss. Not only this, but the military has also declared a 1-year-long state of emergency in the country. This insurgency happened after weeks of rumors of coup by the military. The current ground situation in Myanmar looks pretty bad. In major cities, the mobile and internet connections have been disrupted. The state broadcaster MRTV says it is facing technical issues and is off air. International broadcasters are blocked and local channels are off air. Banks have temporarily stopped all the financial services, only ATM machines are working. Yangon's phone line and net connectivity is also limited. In the recent past, Myanmar faced elections in which the NLD, which is led by Aung San Suu Kyi, won the elections with great numbers, and it was much like making history. Never ever any party won by such a big margin in Myanmar. The opposition held that there should be a re-election and such a win isn't possible. But no one thought this would lead to such a situation. The question that comes to the mind is, what exactly happened which led a coup? For understanding that, we must look into the line of incidences. Military started asking questions about the November 2020 elections and said that there were irregularities and results are therefore not valid. There were questions on authenticity of 9 million votes that were casted. So the military gave the United Elections Commission a deadline till February 1st to prove that the elections were fair. Where did the problem come from? Why was the election questioned? Before that, we need to look into certain aspects of Myanmar's political history. Till 2010, the Myanmar was led by military. And during that period, they amended their constitution and added a clause which said that the military will hold 25% seats in both the houses of parliament, to which they will appoint military personnel. Though in 2010, when the democracy started to establish, NLD didn't agree to this constitutional amendment. But this time, everything was as per the above rule. Even after following the amendment, military lost bad. NLD won big, and which resulted in less seats to the military, in turn less power. After which the military chief gave a speech on the 27th January that NLD should follow the constitution because the constitution is above all. And then the deadline was given to prove that the elections were fair. And then the UEC didn't get any malpractice signs and said everything was fair and square. Even after all that, the coup happened. The reaction from all over the world, including countries like the US, European Union, and even India, had condemned this act on the democracy of Myanmar.